Are you interested in buying cryptocurrency, but don't know where to start? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency and help you navigate the complex world of crypto buying. Stick to the video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the Shine Crypto YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency. Step number 1, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, it is important to do your research and consider several factors. One of the most important factors to consider is security. Look for exchanges that have strong security measures in place to protect your funds and personal information. This can include measures such as two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, and cold storage of funds. Another factor to consider is fees. Different exchanges may charge different fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So, it is important to compare fees across different exchanges. Some exchanges may also charge additional fees for depositing or withdrawing funds. The variety of cryptocurrencies available is also an important factor to consider. Some exchanges may only offer a limited selection of cryptocurrencies, while others may offer a wide variety of options. Make sure to choose an exchange that offers the cryptocurrencies you're interested in investing in. Some popular cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini, and Bitstamp. Each exchange has its own unique features and advantages, so make sure to do your research and choose the one that is right for you. Step number 2, create an account. When creating an account with a cryptocurrency exchange, you will typically be required to provide basic personal information such as your name, email address, and a password. This information is used to create your account and to provide you with access to the exchange's trading platform. However, some cryptocurrency exchanges may require additional verification steps to ensure that you are a legitimate user and to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. These additional steps may include providing a government issue ID, such as a passport or a driver's license, and a selfie of yourself holding your ID. The purpose of these verification steps is to prevent fraud, identity theft, and money laundering, as well as to comply with regulations that govern the trading of cryptocurrencies. By verifying your identity, the exchange can ensure that you are a legitimate user and that your friends are safe and secure on the platform. Step number 3, add funds to your account. After creating an account, the next step is to add funds to your account. Most cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to add funds using a bank transfer or card. It is important to note that some payment methods may have higher fees than others, so make sure to choose the payment method that is right for you. Step number 4, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Once you have added funds to your account, the next step is to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Most cryptocurrency exchanges offer a variety of cryptocurrencies, so make sure to choose the one that you want to invest in. Step 5, place your order. After choosing the cryptocurrency you want to buy, the next step is to place your order. You can choose to buy at the current market price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. It is important to note that cryptocurrency prices can be volatile, so make sure to keep an eye on the price and be prepared for fluctuations. Step number 6, store your cryptocurrency. Once you have bought your cryptocurrency, the next step is to store it. You can store your cryptocurrency on the exchange, but it is not recommended as exchanges can be hacked. Instead, it is recommended to store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet. There are different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. That's it for our step-by-step guide on how to buy cryptocurrency. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on your cryptocurrency investing journey. Remember to always do your research and invest responsibly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crypto Shine YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.